Designing a logo for your teeth whitening business is an important step in establishing your brand identity. A well-designed logo can help you stand out from your competitors, communicate your brand values, and build trust with your target audience. A simple, clean, and easily recognizable logo is more likely to be remembered than a complex and cluttered design. Here are the steps to designing a logo for your teeth whitening business. Your logo should be consistent with the overall brand identity of your teeth whitening business, including your brand personality, values, and messaging. Define your brand. Before you start designing your logo, it's important to have a clear understanding of your brand values and target audience. This will help guide your logo design and ensure that it accurately reflects your brand. Research your competition. Look at the logos of other teeth whitening businesses and see what they are doing well and where they are lacking. Use this research to create your own design and ensure that your logo stands out. Choose a color palette. Color is an important aspect of logo design as it can evoke emotions and set the tone for your brand. Consider that are associated with oral health and wellness, such as blue, green, and silver. Decide on a typography. Choose a font that is clear, easy to read, and reflects your brand personality. Consider using a sans serif font, which is modern and versatile. Incorporate imagery. Consider using an image that relates to teeth whitening, such as a tooth or a smile. Make sure the image is simple, recognizable, and easy to understand. Test your design. Show your logo to friends, family, and potential customers and ask for their feedback. Make any necessary adjustments based on the feedback you receive. Complete the design. Once you have a logo that accurately reflects your brand and appeals to your target audience, finish the design and use it consistently across all of your marketing materials. By following these tips, you can design a logo that effectively represents your teeth whitening business and helps you build a strong and memorable brand.